fam, Aaliyah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I will be creating this glossy glass skin makeup look that has been trending in the Korean beauty world. I was obsessed with these two pictures I came across on Twitter. If you guys know who this person is, please let me know at their name so I can give them proper credit. But I came across these two photos on Twitter and I was like, oh my goodness, that skin though, like that skin is goals. And I just wanted to recreate it. And I asked you guys on Twitter, like, what would you guys call this? And one of you said it's a Korean skin trend, glass skin. So I looked up glass skin on YouTube and there were a lot of tutorials on it. And I was like, you know what? I didn't watch any except for I Am Karanos. If you guys know who that is, I love her. But I wanted to come up with my own techniques, my own method. You guys, I did this look, or I practiced this look 3 times before I actually sat down to film it, because, you know, just don't underestimate the difficulty and the skill level to make an even canvas with minimal to little to no makeup. Okay, it was a challenge, like erasing all of your imperfections while still maintaining a skin-like appearance. You know, it was pretty hard, it was pretty difficult. So without further congé, if you are interested in seeing me create this glossy glass skin makeup look, a no makeup, very glowy to the 10th power glossy glam look, then stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, first we're going to start off with skincare. We're going to have a focus on hydration and glow. Off camera, I already toned my skin with the Polish Choice Resist Advanced Replenishing Toner, and I cleansed my skin with the Pacifica Rose Kombucha Cleanser. Yeah, I know you guys couldn't even see that product, so that's why I'm inserting pictures into the screen. I'm going to pat in this Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Facial Oil, and then I'm going to pat in the Drunk Elephant C Firma Day Serum. No, girl, this ain't sponsored, but they did send me their skincare and I am in love, okay? I'm in love with their skincare, but why does the price gotta be so bougie? Anyways, I'm going to tap in that B Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel. I'm just going to really pat in these products so my skin can better absorb them. I'm going to go ahead and apply some Shaba Complex Eye Serum, pat that into my under eye so we can have a nice hydrated eye area. And next, yes girl, a lot of steps, I'm going to rub in this Lala Retro whipped cream. She's very thick, she's very moisturizing, she's very hydrating. I'm just going to pat that into my face and neck, girl. And last but not least, y'all know I love me a sheet mask. So I'm going to put this Jeju Natural Aloe sheet mask on, leave it on for about 20 minutes, depends on if I get distracted or not. I love sheet masks. They just really lock in moisture and they keep your skin hydrated all day, like hydrated to the touch, hydrated to the feel. So after it's been like 20 minutes, I'm just going to go ahead and take the sheet mask off, dab it into my skin, and get ready for our makeup application. We don't waste no serum around here. Moving on to the face, our focus is an even canvas and reflective skin. For primer, I know girl, I just did all that and I'm still priming. Yes, the Derma E Purifying Toning Mist. For brows, I'm going to take this Revlon Brow Mousse in the shade Dark Brown. It's kind of like a mascara for your brows. That's all I'm going to put into my brows. I'm just going to run that through my brow hairs. And I'm also just going to use like a clean spoolie just to smooth it out. Yes, ooh, them brows, girl. And then I'm just going to take this Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C8 with a Luxy Beauty 211 brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my brows. And that's the Luxy Beauty 227 just to blend out that concealer. Next, I'm going to take this RCMA foundation thinner. Yes, I know this is odd, but it has a sheen to it, and I didn't want to use Vaseline, so I used something that's safe for the face. I'm going to take this foundation thinner and just pat it into my skin to give my skin a glossy appearance that's non-comedogenic, okay? That doesn't clog my pores. Yes. Next, I'm going to mix the shade C8 and C12 with the same Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm using that to cover up my imperfections that are like making my face uneven. So I just go ahead and dot it on like my acne scars or just spots I don't want to be seen. I'm going to mix the two shades together, and it actually was a perfect match. And then I'm just going to take this Luxy Beauty 231 brush, and I'm going to pat that concealer in place. I do not want to shift it. I want it to fully cover my imperfections. So I'm just very carefully and very slowly patting in the concealer until it melts seamlessly into my skin. This was a little tedious, so take your time. You don't want to rush this. You do want to make sure your imperfections are completely covered in this concealer. Girl, this was actually my first time using this concealer. I went to Ulta. I was like, I gotta try it, you know? And it's actually very full coverage. And then I just go ahead and use my finger for that last dab. And as you can see, it's just melted right into my skin. Like, where's the concealer? Anyways, I'm going to do that again on my under eyes. Mix the two shades together just to even out my under eyes so it's even with my whole entire face. And you're going to see like it literally matches me perfectly. So that's the key. You want to make sure you have complexion products that match your skin exactly. Mix if you have to. I had to mix. I'm going to mix my foundations as well because you want the exact match, the perfect match, as perfect as you can get it. Next, I'm going to take the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I chose this foundation because it's super thin. It's like watery thin. It's super watery. I mixed the shades medium olive and golden, and it ended up being perfecto. Like, the match was seamless. So I just put 3 drops of each on the back of my hand, rub them together and mix them together, and I'm just dotting it on my face and using my fingers to blend it into my skin. And as you can see, like, the match, impeccable. You feel what I'm saying? Like, do you see that match though? That color match is perfect. I don't know what made me look at those 2 shades and be like, if I mix these, it's gonna be bomb. And it was bomb, girl. So I'm just going to even out my complexion by patting in that foundation, and then I'm just going to take that Fenty Beauty Precise Beauty Sponge and whatever was left on the back of my hand and just dab it to finish off my face, basically. I don't know why I did this. Moving on, I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Luminous Gold Liquid Illuminator. This is a perfect dupe for the Cover FX Liquid Illuminator. It is a fraction of the cost, girl, and it works just the same. So I'm going to take that Fenty Beauty Precise Sponge and put it on the high points of my face. And I'm also going to emphasize other places of my face where the lights hit. Like, I put highlighter in places I don't usually put highlighter. So I'm going to put it on my cheekbones, right above the arches of my brows. I'm also going to put it a little bit on my cheek. As you can see, I'm making like a C shape because the light was hitting me right there too. Of course, I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose, the upper bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. But I'm just really emphasizing where the light is hitting me. And I'm also going to take that Morphe M167 brush and just place that into my brow bone. Next, I'm going to take this ColourPop highlighter in the shade Churro. I do realize Churro is sold out, my bad, girl, but it's just like a golden highlighter. And I'm just putting that right on top because the Liquid Illuminator was a little too cool toned, so I just wanted to warm it up just a tad. And I didn't want to use a powder highlighter because it would just take away from the shine, and I want it to remain shiny. And ColourPop's highlighters are actually really like wet. Next, I'm just going to apply some mascara. This is the Balm Cosmetics Scuba Mascara. So it's water resistant, so it won't like transfer. Since my skin, I didn't set it at all, the mascara won't transfer. I'm also going to top it off with some Fenty Beauty Spacesuit Lip Gloss, just to give a little bit of sheen to our lips. I know I should have removed the highlighter on my top lip, but I didn't, okay? Lastly, we're going to take some Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. This setting spray is actually oily, so I'm just going to spray on the sides of my face just to finish off that sheen, fix my brows up, and this completes my glossy glass skin. It just is so reflective. I'm using a reflector just to really give you guys the full effect of this glow. Stay tuned because I'm also going to be closing out this video, girl, here in a second. Erykah Badu just inspires my extra. You feel what I'm saying? Like, her extraness inspires me to never water my extraness down, if you feel what I'm saying. Like, these just remind me so much of Erykah Badu. No reflector, reflector. Okay, like, wow, photo game just amped up. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me creating this glossy glass skin. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. You know, I honestly was beating myself up because I couldn't recreate the photo in the way that I wanted to. Like, maybe they do just put on Vaseline, but you know, I didn't want to put out bad skin practice on the tube, if you feel what I'm saying. I didn't just want to slap Vaseline on my face because one, that can clog pores. I don't want anyone's pores getting clogged, okay? I bet when my oil starts to seep through, like I have oily skin, so when my oil starts to really seep through, I know my skin is going to be shapoppin'. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, I mean, why not? I mean, tap that subscribe button, girl. Join my family, join my makeup journey. I would love to have you on this channel, on this family of mine. We cool over here. We real cool. We real laid back. We keep to 100. We're very chill. We're very funny. We like to crack a little jokes here and there, have fun now and again. Before I close out this video, I do want to go ahead and give a post notification shout out to Alicia Vernon. Thank you so much, Alicia. You show me so much love. You's a real one. I appreciate your support and your love so much. You are always showing me love. I enjoy reading your comments. I love it. It's like we're homegirls. We are homegirls, but you know, it's like we really homegirls. If you would like an appreciation shout out in one of my videos, be sure to hashtag notification gang or squad after your comment. Tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads, as I do try to upload, you know, okay, 2 to 3 videos every week. I love you guys so much, and until next time, always remember to serve, honey. Ooh, that was a good one, huh? And I will see you in my next video. Bye.